How to add product from Alibaba to Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video will show you step by step on how to add and dropship Alibaba product to your Shopify store. As you know guys, Alibaba is one of the most e-commerce platform. That's why most dropshippers use Alibaba as a product resource. So in this video, I will guide you with the easy process to import and list any Alibaba product with the easiest method and without using any paid version application. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then after creating your account on Alibaba and verify it with your email address or phone number, just go back and open your Shopify dashboard. Then just guys, scroll down to settings, then hit on settings. Then guys, I will show you how you can easily import any Alibaba product to your Shopify store by using the free version application. Then this video and this, so make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be able to import and add any Alibaba product without no prior experience. First guys, open settings on Shopify, just scroll down to apps and sales channel. Then guys, I will show you the easiest application to use even you are a beginner. Then just guys, open Shopify App Store. Then I will show you guys two methods application, the paid version application and the free version. First one guys, I will show you the paid version application is Importify. This Importify guys, it's easy to use also, but it's give you only 1 day free trial. As you see guys, this is Importify easy dropshipping. This application guys, it's help you to import any Alibaba product to your Shopify store, but it's paid version application. It's $14 for month, and the premium plan 27 and the gold plan 37. But guys, it's give you only free 1 day free trial. Then guys, if you don't like to buy an application, just go back and just go in the search bar and tap Robo product importer. As you see guys, this application also, it's a free version application and easy to use even you are a beginner and even you are not a professional dropshippers. Just guys, open this application and hit on install. Then guys, I will guide you step by step how you can easily install this application and import any Alibaba product to your Shopify store. Then hit on install. It's very easy guys to install this application. Just wait a few seconds guys, it's very easy. Then guys, automatically your application was installed. Then hit on approve. It's very easy guys. Now guys, this is the dashboard of your Robo product importer application. But first guys, you need to add this extension or Robo product extension to your browser. It's very easy guys. You can just go and open a new browser or just hit on add extension here. Then it will take you directly to your Chrome web store to add this extension. Just hit on add to Chrome, then again add extension. It's very easy guys. Then guys, automatically your extension, it will add it to your extension section. Then hit on this icon extension and make it pin. Then automatically your extension was added successfully. Now guys, you need to open your Alibaba account. Then guys, after find your winning product or your product that you want to import it to Shopify. For example, I will show an example, just an example to pick a random product. For example, a random product, iPhone, or I will choose a random product, for example these glasses. It's very easy guys, pick this product. Then guys, first if you want to import this product to your Shopify store, it's very easy. Just you need to hit on this robot extension, then hit on this extension on the top and right. It's take a few seconds. Now guys, add to Shopify, then hit on add to Shopify. This is the processing section. Then it take a few seconds to import the product to your Shopify. It's very easy guys. Now guys, your product, it will be added automatically to your Robo product application. Now guys, you need to first customize this customize your product information, like the title. I prefer to reduce the title, for example like this and like this: retro round reading glasses, anti-blue light, gently reading eye. for example, just an example guys. You can also customize and add some product type, for example this one, and a vendor if you want, or I prefer to always remove the vendor. Then the collections, accessories for example. Then after customizing also the pricing section, for example $25, the complete price $26.99. Then if you want to also add the SKU or remove it, then go directly to description section. Then guys, also if you want to remove or customize the description for this product, then after customizing just go back to image. Now guys, this image section, it's very important, because guys, you cannot be able to add the Alibaba product image to your Shopify by using this application. But if you want to add it, you need to buy a plan. But if you are a beginner, just go to add a new extension to your browser. His name is AliSave extension. This is a guys AliSave extension, AliSave Plus extension. As you see guys, this extension guys, it's help you to download any Alibaba product. For example, you need just add this extension to the browser, then go back and open any product on Alibaba. As you see guys, you make sure to pin this extension AliSave download AliExpress also image, just hit on main image. Now guys, wait a few seconds to download the main image. It's very easy guys, without using any paid version application. It's take a few seconds guys, don't worry. Now guys, your image, it will be downloaded. Then guys, after download this image, go to import section under last. Then guys, hit on add product to Shopify. Then wait a few seconds to import this product to your Shopify store. It's very easy guys. As you see guys, the product imported successfully. Now your product, it will be added automatically in your Shopify store. Just guys, open your Shopify product section and reload the page. Then automatically your product, it will be added successfully. As you see guys, your product was added successfully to your Shopify without no pictures. Just guys, open the product. Then automatically then guys, you need to add this image that you are uploaded and downloaded on your product pictures. Then guys, go scroll down to media section and go and open this product. It's very easy guys, without using any paid version application. Then open the image. This is the image of the product, and select all this image and drag it to your product section without no paid version application and no pre-experience from dropshipping. And guys, automatically the picture was added successfully. Now guys, if you want to customize also your product on Shopify, or just you need to hit on save. Now your product was added successfully and imported successfully from Alibaba to your Shopify without using any paid version application, just using this import product. It's very easy guys to use, even you are a beginner, and also without no pre-experience for dropshipping. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.